In this video, I want to break down 3 credit scams that you're going to want to avoid if you want to stay out of jail. My name is Vernell and I'm the founder of Fortune 800, a credit improvement company that's been getting results for our clients that look like this, and like this. If you want results like this and you want to avoid credit scams, I want you to tune in for the rest of this video. Now, the first credit scam, and I've spoken about this in a couple other videos, but it's not mine dispute letters. So there's different companies that'll send dispute letters to you to send to the credit bureau. So let's credit repair company, you, and they'll send you around the dispute letters, and the dispute letters will say, this is not mine. You send them to the credit bureaus, and the credit bureau send them back to you with an automatic response. These are never going to get you the results that you're looking for when it comes to repairing and improving your credit score. And it's pretty much a scam. It does not work sending letters like this. So I want you to avoid this entirely. Now, the second thing, and this, I've been seeing so much of this, especially lately, with a lot of people having issues with their credit and needing to get in a better position. CPNs. CPN stands for credit. I forgot what credit person number or something. It doesn't really matter. Now, what they are their government issued or Social Security issued numbers for politicians and celebrities. People who need extreme amounts of privacy. So what they do, instead of using your social, you use a CPN number, and you can only get one of these for any person. You can only get one CPN. So with that said, how is it that a company, whether it's a credit repair company, whatever the case may be, how is it that they're able to get thousands of CPN numbers when each person with one Social Security is only granted to get one CPN if you're a politician or a celebrity or someone who requires an extreme amount of privacy? How are they able to get these numbers? How are they able to get 1,000 of them? Now, the reason is because they're not actual CPNs. What they are numbers or Social Security numbers of children, and people who passed away. And they're selling these numbers as quote unquote CPNs, and they sell them to you, and then you use them on an application. But if you use any number outside of your actual Social Security number on an application that's asking for your Social Security, that can already be 12 months jail time, just doing that. So you do not want to purchase any CPNs. If you need a CPN because you're a politician or a celebrity, then you need to go through a lawyer and a company. You only get one. Each person only gets one. Never go through a credit repair or any other company that's selling these CPN numbers, because they're not an actual CPN. They are the Social Security of either a child or someone who has passed away. So I want you to avoid this entirely. The last thing is false police reports. Some credit repair companies will tell you, hey, in order to get this removed, I need you to file a police report. They send you to the police station to file a report for identity theft. And you send it to them, and they send in a letter to the credit bureau saying that you're a victim of identity theft with the accounts that you filed a police report for. This is 100% against the law. You do not want to get involved in any company or any person who is doing business like this, because it can come back to bite you, and you can end up getting sued. You can end up doing jail time. You do not want to deal with this at all, because it's not going to have the effect that you want. It might get some negative accounts removed temporarily, but once they finish their investigation and determine that the accounts on your credit report that you filed identity theft for are 100% accurate, they're going to pop right back up, and you're going to have to deal with them the right way. And then going forward, you're not going to be able to get the accounts removed because you filed this false police report. So I want you to avoid that entirely. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with 3 friends who may not know about these credit scams so they can avoid them and stay out of jail. I'll talk to you soon.